Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today, the R Squad is continuing the Glacier Ridge expedition at Snowfield Base Camp, and our mission is to compare and organize big numbers. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Comparing large numbers up to 100,000. Using place value to decide greater or smaller. Comparing digits from left to right. Using greater than, less than, and equal to symbols correctly. And ordering numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. We won't guess. We'll use place value to understand number size. To compare numbers means to decide if one number is greater than, less than, or equal to another number. Greater than means bigger, less than means smaller. Equal to means the same value. We use these symbols. This symbol means greater than. This symbol means less than, and this symbol means equal to. Remember, the open side faces the larger number. Let's compare 68,420 and 86,240. We need to choose the correct symbol, but first, we need to compare the numbers carefully. When comparing large numbers, start from the left. The left side has the greatest place value. In these numbers, the first place is the 10,000s place. Compare the first digits, 6 10,000s, 8 10,000s. 8 10,000s is greater than 6 10,000s. So we already know the second number is greater. That means 68,420 is less than 86,240. Sometimes the first digits are the same. Let's compare 74,851 and 74,516. Both numbers start with 7 in the 10,000s place. So we move to the next place. The thousands digits are both 4, so we keep moving right until we find the first different digit. The first different digit is in the hundreds place. 74,851 has 800s. 74,516 has 500s. Since 800s is greater than 500s, the first number is greater. So that means 74,851 is greater than 74,516. Let's compare 91,204 and 19,999. The second number ends in 999. It does look big at the end, but we do not compare from the end. We compare from the left. The first number has 9 10,000s. The second number has 1 10,000. So 91,204 is greater than 19,999. Be careful. Large digits at the end do not always make the whole number larger. Always start from the left. A number line can also help us compare. Numbers farther to the right are greater. 68,420 is between 60,000 and 80,000. 86,240 is between 80,000 and 100,000. So 86,240 is farther right. That means 86,240 is greater than 68,420. To order numbers, we arrange them by size. Least to greatest means smallest to largest. Let's compare the 10,000s digits. 86,240 has 8 10,000s. 24,815 has 2 10,000s. 68,420 has 6 10,000s. 48,320 has 4 10,000s. So the order from least to greatest is 24,815, 48,320, 68,420, and 86,240. The numbers get larger as we move right. Greatest to least means largest to smallest, so we reverse the order. 86,240, 68,420, 48,320, and 24,815. Now the numbers get smaller as we move right, like sliding down a snowy trail. Least to greatest climbs up, greatest to least slides down. That's a fun way to remember it.
Start on the left, compare each place. Biggest value leads the race. is true.
Left to right, place by place, find the digit, solve the case. Greater, less, or equal to. Pick the symbol that is true. Your turn, explorers! Challenge 1. Which is greater? 52,418 or 25,814? Compare the 10,000s place. 5 10,000s is greater than 2 10,000s, so 52,418 is greater. Challenge 2. Compare 74,516 and 74,851. The 10,000s and thousands digits are the same, so we compare the hundreds digits. 5 hundreds is less than 8 hundreds, so 74,516 is less than 74,851. Challenge 3. Order from least to greatest. 39,204, 93,204, and 49,302. The order from least to greatest is 39,204, 49,302, and 93,204. Challenge 4. Which symbol makes this true? The 10,000s and thousands digits are the same, so we compare the hundreds digits. 3 hundreds is greater than 100, so 86,315 is greater than 86,135. Let's review what we learned today. You compared large numbers up to 100,000. You used place value to decide greater or smaller. You compared digits from left to right. You used greater than, less than, and equal to symbols correctly. And you ordered numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. Great job completing all of the learning objectives. For comparing and ordering large numbers carefully, you earned the Number Comparator Elite badge. Congratulations! Next time, we'll explore numbers smaller than one whole. That means our number journey is getting even more precise. Get ready to become a decimal explorer. See you in Lesson 4. Bye, explorers!